The word academic is powerful because it connects with school, learning, and knowledge. Academic means something related to education, schools, colleges, or learning facts and ideas. Some learners confuse academic with social or practical skills. Academic focuses on study and theory, not real-world practice. You can say academic subjects, academic performance, or academic year. It often connects with studies and schools. She has excellent academic records. The academic conference was very useful. My academic goals include graduating with honors. He struggles with academic writing. Anne loved academic challenges. Every test was a chance to learn more. Her hard work showed in top grades and respect. Think of academy or a school when you hear academic. Both words sound similar and connect to learning. Remember, academic means all about education and learning. Use it in your studies and conversations now.